test drive in a lifted 2014 F150. It's platinum. Platinum means it's got all the creature comforts, all the bells and whistles, and lifted means you look cool driving it. Thanks for hanging out on this virtual test drive today. Just to recap some of the cool features about this vehicle, it does have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost, which is the same that's actually in my personal vehicle. Great engine. It's got a brush guard in the front, it's got an aftermarket bumper on the back, and it's got a Fox shock suspension lift on it. So give us a call anytime. We take trades, we do financing, we also do consignments, and we'll make a deal work for you. Thanks for riding with us.